Every business day, you juggle invoices, compliance deadlines, and payment workflows, all while trying to keep pace with fast-moving competitors. What if your business software could give you that extra support to stay ahead? First impressions matter. Now create polished, brand-consistent invoices in seconds, add your logo, choose fonts, and save templates as your default. No more repetitive setup. And when party details are missing, TallyPrime fetches them instantly, so your billing never stalls. Reconciling your books just got faster. The new books view in IMS makes reconciliation visual and effortless. Auto-wrap text means your team reads data clearly. No more squinting at truncated entries. Send money from your ICICI bank account to your beneficiaries right from TallyPrime. With connected banking, the payments from your ICICI bank account happen. In one place, faster cash flow, fewer errors, zero tap switching. Stay audit ready. Validate HSN SAC codes instantly before filing. Claim export refunds, manage e-way bills, and exclude non-applicable transactions right at the voucher level. Update GST return dates in a single step. Compliance that used to take hours now takes minutes. Handle special e-way bill scenarios without workarounds. Small frictions eliminated. Apply discount amounts directly in columns. Reuse deleted voucher numbers with one click. TallyPrime 7.1 simplifies VAT filing and keeps your return tracking organized so you stay compliant. TallyPrime 7.1 isn't just an update. It's fewer hours on admin, faster decisions, and a business that runs cleaner. Upgrade today and work smarter from day one.